Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am George and today I am doing the F-4J Phantom 2 Revell model. This is a 1/72 scale plane. It is level 3, it has 85 pieces. It is the US Navy's Phantom and it flew off the US aircraft carrier Revell. So that's what it looks like on the back there. Also, we've got the paints. It comes with the white, two sets of greys, a dark grey, Revell glue, and a double-sided paintbrush. Let's get right into the unboxing. So I've already cut mine open, so it makes it easier. So we just unbox all of this. We get out all of the bits to build. That's how big it's going to be. Then we've got the big instruction manual. I think the transfers are in. The transfers are in the book already. So let's just put that there. We've got the instruction manual.
Around.
Like that, and then we've got the transfers and some extra bits. So that's what the transfers look like. So if we move on through the manual, we've got the main start set building.
Okay, finish up.
And then this is all the pieces that we need to build it.
Okay, finish up.
So I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.